YouTube, it's your girl Totally Tonight, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing something a little different, pardon the background noise, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of a skincare, face care video. I feel like it's different, but it's something that all women do. It's something that I do a lot. So yeah, also forgive my bonnet. I did not want any stuff in my hair, so yeah, I'm just putting my bonnet on. So yeah, please ignore that. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is the Witch Hazel face mist. Now the reason I'm using a mist is because A, I don't have the Merceau liquid. B, it's the same thing, just in a spray bottle. And I want to clean my face before I do anything. I generally have much on, but yeah. And I actually got the mist from TJ Maxx. It was $6. Nothing too crazy. And I was just like, this might work a little bit better than the actual, liquid, maybe. It's quicker, Oh, I'm also using a rag because I ran out of cotton pads, so yeah. But first, what I'm going to do is, now I know a lot of women say don't do this, but I do. I feel like when I get my face waxed or whatever, like, it breaks me out. It just does. I haven't had a problem with this. I actually wanted to buy my own wax melter, wax, all of that, and do my own waxing. So if you do that, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of it.
Blank Beats Production.
Josh P, what it do?
Okay, so now that I am finished with that, I'm gonna go wash my face, obviously, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I have washed my face really good, I'm gonna be doing like an aloe face mask of some sort. I bought fresh aloe from the store and I just cut it up, mixed it in with some water. Aloe is like an old school healing regimen, skincare, whatever you want, whatever you need, aloe is the answer, okay? So I was like, let me try something different in terms of my face, my skincare, just to make sure everything is good, it's popping. So yeah, I just cut it up, well, sliced it. Like I said, mixed it with some water, and I'm just going to apply it to my face. I did, and this is the finishing touch. Obviously, I have to do it a lot more in order to see true results. But in terms of my first time using it, how it feels, it was a little itchy. Of course, it's a plant. I expected it to be itchy. It's not my first time using aloe, in general, but on my face, yes. In terms of like straight from the ground. But overall, it was good. I do feel like my skin is clean, it's refreshed, it's rejuvenated. This was just a quick little video for you guys, just to show you what I do. Sorry, my shirt is all wet from washing and doing all that. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments below whether you've tried an aloe vera mask, raw aloe vera. What was your experience like? Also, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell if you have not already. And yeah, with that, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys.